everyone. Today we are going to be talking about how to add category in SambaPOS. So let's get into it. Now, before I start, SambaPOS 4 and SambaPOS 5 have the same way of adding a product category or group code in the SambaPOS. So let's get into it. I'm going to click on Manage. Now, if I have a product I want to add and I have not added the group code on the SambaPOS before, what I'm going to do is I can add the group code while creating the product. So I'm going to click on Manage, click on Products, click on Product List, and I'm going to add a product. So let's say I want to add Heineken. I go to Heineken. Now the group code is going to be beer. And because I don't have beer here, I'm just going to type beer. Group code, in as much as beer is not on the list. Then I click on Add Portion to add the price. And I click on the price, and let's say I'm selling my Heineken for 3,000 naira. And I save. Now automatically beer is already added to the category, but it's not going to show on the point of sales because we have not added it to the menu yet. So I'm going to click on the menu list. I click on menu list, then double click on menu. So I'm going to double click on the menu. Then it's not here, so I'm going to click on add category. Now for those that are using on-screen keyboard, on-screen keyboard doesn't really work here. The Samba keyboard doesn't really work here if you're using the Samba keyboard to add a category. So you either have to get, it's either you get a keyboard, a physical keyboard, or you get the on-screen keyboard from the system to actually type in the category, because I've had issues where people try to add category here, but they fail to do that. Yes, it's because the keyboard on SambaPOS doesn't work when you're adding your category. So I'm going to add my beer. And I click on OK. Now, it tells me to auto-select the new category. So if I click on yes, all products are added under beer is going to appear inside without me having to manually do that. But in this case, I'm going to click no, so we can actually manually push that into the point of sales. So I'll click on no. Then I'm going to double click on my beer. Then I'm going to click on the beer and add the beer into the selected product. And I click on OK and I click on save. So now with this, the beer has been added to the point of sales. So they're going to see beer and they can click on beer and choose the product that they want. I hope you do understand. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be open to answering all your questions. And then please like, share, and subscribe for more Samba tutorials.